Hey, this is Randy at Funeral Funds of America. In this video, we are going to show you pricing for a 50-year-old male for $15,000 worth of final expense, burial, cremation, or funeral fund insurance. So keep in mind, you can get a free quote on our website. On every page of our website, almost every page, I should say, we've got this quoter where you can fill this in, and it will show you the numbers and the coverage. It's going to be the same quoter I'm going to show you in just a minute. So you get access to the same information. You can look up all the different insurance companies, and it's terrific because not many people do that for you. But we want to be transparent with you. So keep that in mind. You can also, we'll have a link in the comments here. We've got our own YouTube specific link where you can get access to this quoter. And keep in mind, you can always call us at 888-862-9456. But let's talk about coverage wise. Now, number one thing you want to consider is $15,000 enough for your needs when you do pass away. So if you were to die right now and you would need to get buried, $15,000 would certainly be enough. Now, but if you're 50 years old and you're, God forbid God forbid you die too soon, it's still going to cover it. But if you are blessed to live to age 70 or 80, $15,000 is probably not going to be enough at that time. But keep in mind, a lot of times people will get just as much coverage as they need right now, knowing that you can always add more coverage later. So if your finances are a little tight, just get what you need right now. And at least through us, we could always help you apply for more insurance later. And then also what you're doing is you're locking in your youngest age and your best health so that you get the best rates. So keep that in mind. So anyway, $15,000 is enough for burial. $15,000 is way more than you need for a cremation. Typically a cremation, we recommend kind of $3,000 to $7,000 depending on your situation. Keep in mind also, a lot of insurance agents would love to sell you the most amount of insurance they can. We don't recommend that. We believe this insurance is really best. Just getting exactly what you need, because why pay an insurance company extra money when you could keep that in your own pocket and you could just enjoy that money while you're living rather than giving that money away while you're dead. So also, one other thing is make sure you get first day coverage. You want first day coverage. You do not want a plan that's got a 2-year waiting period, because it's not going to pay out anything in the first 2 years if you die of any health or medical reason. It's just going to refund the premiums that you put in plus a set percentage rate. It's called return of premium. You absolutely don't want that. Also, keep in mind, with first day coverage, there are some health questions. Don't freak out about that. It's fairly easy to qualify. We work with a whole bunch of different insurance companies. They've all got different underwriting requirements, and we can typically fit people in for first day coverage. So don't get suckered into a 2-year waiting period policy. Now, what are some of the conditions that would prohibit you from getting a first day coverage plan? Well, if you had like AIDS or a terminal illness or dementia, or you're in the hospital right now, that would not be first day coverage. We've had people call and say, hey, my uncle died yesterday. I need to get some final expense insurance on him today. And we have to explain that, you can't get insurance on somebody who's dead, unfortunately. And it's very sad, but that also just highlights the importance of getting this insurance before you need it. So let's kind of dive into a couple of 2-year waiting period plans. Let's see. Yes, we're going to continue. So the kind of the one thing you really want to watch out for is a lot of the companies out there where it's the only product they sell. Colonial Penn is one of those companies. They sell, or primarily their number one insurance product is a 2-year waiting period. It's their $9.95 plan. It's great marketing, but a lot of our clients would say it's not great insurance. There's other companies out there like United of Omaha, Gerber, AIG. Those are all mandatory 2-year waiting period plans too. There's more than them. Just keep an eye out for them. And for Colonial Penn, age 50, male, if you look at this and you go, well, what's one unit of insurance gonna, what's that gonna pay out? $9.95, right? That's only going to pay out $1,669. If you're looking at a burial, that is ridiculous. That won't do you any good. Their marketers have sucked you in and you thought you were going to get something amazing for $9.95. And if it seems to be too good to be true, it's probably too good to be true. So let's get back to here. We were looking at nine units here. So 9 units from Colonial Penn, and other insurance companies are going to be, for 2-year waiting period, going to be somewhere in there pricing. But that's about $15,000, $15,021. That's $89.55. I can assure you of one thing, that is expensive, and you're going to have that 2-year waiting period too. So let's actually take a look at what pricing would be on a plan that's actually got first day coverage and see how much money you can save. So if we go here to this, and I just want to show you, we've got $15,000 here, and we've got a male, and Texas, you know, these companies will be different based off your state, but Texas is in the middle of the country. It's a good place to start. And a 50-year-old male here. And remember that $15,000 to Colonial Penn was $89.55. And we can actually, if we go with the right company, look at the difference here. It's less than $40. So Colonial Penn is like 200+% more expensive, and you've got a 2-year waiting period. Ouch. And this company here, Trinity Life, we work with them, are a great company. We can help you qualify for them. But level means first day coverage. So you could literally get double the amount of coverage through other companies and still pay less than Colonial Penn. And you wouldn't have that kind of terrible 2-year waiting period plan. So you want to avoid that. Now, let's jump down and look at a couple more here. Let's go all the way down to the bottom here. So there's some companies that are not available. Our quoter will tell you that. You can see this information. We include it on our website. So like Lincoln Heritage is another company out there. Ooh, they are just very expensive. And now it is first day coverage. And they've got a little plan. They say, well, we'll shop around for you, and you know, when you pass away, so your family doesn't have to do that. Yeah, but it's $61. So, and remember, this is $40. So you're paying an extra $22. Let's just round it, easy math, $20 a month. That's $240 a year. If you live 10 years, that's an extra $2,400. So why would you ever spend something that costs $2,400 that your family can easily just make some phone calls or call us and we can help you out? We've got a funeral planning guide. You can take care of that in advance. And then also AI, artificial intelligence, is making this easier and easier and easier. You don't need to be overpaying by $2,400 just for some of these services that other companies offer. We're not saying they're bad companies, but it's your money. And if you'd rather keep your money, then just be a smart shopper. So I think we've done everything, helped out, got you pricing on that. And now in the comments section of this video, we'll have different pricing for 5, 10, 15, 20, 20, and 25,000 for a 50-year-old male. Jump in there, but you can also, again, just go to our website at funeralfunds.com, and we're going to have a specific link for our YouTube channel, funeralfunds.com/YouTube, and it'll take you to a quoter that will get you special rates and everything like that. But just let us know if you need any help. And until then, you stay safe, and we hope to hear from you in the future. You take care. Bye-bye.